Occupied Kashmir continues to reel under intensifying state terrorism as brutal cordon and search operations escalate human rights abuses, inflicting widespread suffering on the besieged Kashmiri population. The military crackdown, marked by the searches, arrests, and intimidation, has plunged the disputed territory into chaos. In Udhampur district of the Jammu region, the operation entered its second day today. Earlier, an Indian Central Reserve Police Force officer, Inspector Kuldeep Kumar, was killed in an attack in the Dudu area of the district on the Monday night. The police said that the Indian Forces personnel are using modern technology and drones in the operation. The search operations are also underway in different areas of the Doda, Ramban, Kishtwar, Rajouri, Poonch, Samba and Katwa district. All parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, emphasized the need for the greater unity among the Kashmiris to effectively pursue their demand for a plebiscite to ascertain the political future of occupied Kashmir. People from all walks of the life have strongly condemned the Modi government's Waqf Amendment Bill 2024, calling it a direct interference in the religious affairs of the Muslims in India and occupied Kashmir. They described the bill as a new legal weapon meant to target the Muslim institutions' faith and religious freedom. Kashmiri diaspora members from across the United States and Canada gathered in the Highland, Maryland, emphasizing the need for unity and a collective approach to resolve the Kashmir dispute. The speakers on the occasion pleaded for the release of the Kashmiri leader Muhammad Yasin Malik and warned of an impending genocide in occupied Kashmir.